Hello artists. Today we're going to be doing a creativity warm-up to warm up that right side of your brain. So you can see here are some pictures of lines that have been added to make different images. It needs to be a picture of something, and the something has to be somewhere. So you can see here's an owl on a branch outside. Here's a crab on the water with sand behind it, a crazy cat. And here you can see on the top your cat that turns into a cat from the little ear that was started. So here you can see that we're coloring not only the image, but we're coloring the background and addressing that background. It's best to start in pencil, and then after you get done in pencil, you want to color it with crayons or whatever coloring materials you have available. Welcome back, artists. Today we're going to be making a drawing book with this giant 18 by 24 piece of paper. So the first step we're going to do together is we're going to fold it in half. Folding it in half. And then we're going to run our hand down the edge of it, creating a nice crease. Just like so. Now we have that in this size. Oh boy, next step. We're going to take that piece of paper now and we're going to fold it in half again. Here I go, grabbing it by the middle and just folding it in half again, giving it a nice crease with my fingers, squishing it down. Now it's the size of a folder. Oh, this one's going to be tricky, but you can do it. We're going to fold it in half. That's right, a third time. So taking the middle, folding it over, lining up the edges, and pinching along the side to squish it together. And now I've got it in the size of an iPad. Good work. Now that we have it this shape, I'm going to use the hard edge of my table and I'm just going to really crease those edges, just pulling it against the table. Then I'm going to unfold it once and twice to my original first fold, and I have the plus sign on my paper. Then I'm going to come around and put a little yellow line from the fold to the middle. From the fold to the middle. Then you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut the yellow line. Here we go, cutting the yellow line, going to the middle. Now I'm going to give equal opportunity to hot dogs. Right now, I've been working just with a hamburger. So I'm going to unfold that hamburger and then I'm going to refold the hot dog. Now I have a hot dog. Yum, yum, yum. Hot dogs are so good. Yummy hot dogs. Fold it like a hot dog. Makes my tummy happy. All right, now I want to open the diamond inside the hot dog and I'm going to smush the diamond. And now I've squashed the diamond. I'm folding my drawing book over and I have 4 pages. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what do I do? Well, I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to write my first and last name on my front cover and DR1, which means drawing 1. Then I'm going to open it to the first page. And on that inside, I'm going to write my first and last name and DR, or drawing 2. That's right, you can anticipate what's coming. The next page is going to have my first and last name and drawing 3. And we're going to do 4 drawings this Hexter. So I'm going to turn my page over and I'm going to write my first and last name and drawing 4. There we go. Now, with my creativity warm-up that we did the last few days, I'm going to have a place where I'll get glue on my paper and I'll put my creativity warm-up on that glue, and then it's part of my drawing book. And we're all done. Thank you so much for being good listeners.